I'm going to show you how YouTube Creator AI is your ultimate YouTube assistant, okay? So let's go over here to the left-hand side to Topic Scout. Right here, you can search some popular topics or you can put in a custom topic. So let's go to beauty and fashion. I know nothing about this topic here. So let's find trends. So our tool here is going to search some popular topics about beauty and fashion and going to give you some ideas for a YouTube video. Okay, so you're not having to come up with them on your own. Just do some quick simple clicks here. Okay, so here's a few ideas. I'm not sure which one would be best, but these are ranked one through 5. So let's just do the first one. So I'm going to click here. Now it's going to take us up to generate some titles for a video about this. All right, so let's go ahead and click generate titles. It's going to take a little bit longer because it's pulling fresh Google trends. It's not using just its base knowledge to give us some titles about this particular topic. Okay, so here's some great titles, and once again, these are all optimized for all viewing devices. So you don't know which one you like yet. Let's just go ahead and save them all. Okay, let's save them to notes. Let's save them to notes. Okay, it'll tell you why these certain ideas work. All right, now since we have a title, we're going to need a description. Okay, and if we want to put in more here, we can definitely put in more, but we can just leave our simple video topic and title there, and it's going to create us a video description. You may be asking, hey, why doesn't we just click one button and it creates all of it for us? Hey, what if you want to put something additional here in the video description, or you already have a script and you know what your video is about and you don't need to generate all the items at one time. Okay, so let's go to the video description. We're going to save those to notes. It's going to generate some keywords here for you. It's going to generate some short tail keywords and then give you a suggested file name. Okay, now once we have the titles and the description, we're going to need a thumbnail. All right, so let's go ahead and generate a thumbnail. It's first going to give us a few concepts. If you have your favorite image generator or you already have an idea in mind, you're going to use your own photo. This will give you at least some concepts to what the thumbnail can possibly look like, and then it will also give us an option to generate a thumbnail. Okay, so here is a few concepts. It's going to give us some suggested captions that we can overlay on the thumbnail. And then we have options here to do a modern comic, an anime, vintage film, digital painting, hyper reel. Let's do a hyper reel for a thumbnail like this. So give it a second. It's going to generate an image. This gives you the prompt it's generating the image on if you want to try your own prompt. So here's a thumbnail image. This isn't too bad here. We can download this image and save it. If you like this image and you want to use it, here's some selected captions that we had before that we can add, overlay to the thumbnail. We can change the text color. We can change, the outline. So if you want to use this image with a thumbnail, you can definitely do that as well. Okay, we already did the topic. All right, so let's see what type of audience that this is going to, that we are going to focus on. Okay, so let's just do skincare. Okay, so this is going to give us the ideal sort of audience that is looking for these types of videos. So if your video or your channel is about skincare, you can put that in here. Once again, I've never done a skincare video. I've never done a beauty video, so this is great for me to kind of have all these items here. So if I do a video, I'm able to kind of focus on it. Okay, so it gives us a persona of what this type of audience member is. So we can save that as well. Okay, so now that we have the titles, the thumbnail, we're going to need a hook here. Okay, and once again, if you already have your own video, you can come here just to create a hook or just to get some ideas for your own video hook. So you can use this tool for what you need or for everything. Okay, so it's just going to give you a quick hook to get the audience, letting them know what the video is about. Okay, so we can save all these hooks to notes here. Okay, one thing I forgot to do, let's go to the thumbnail concept. I think we did save all those. Okay, so let's go down to the hooks here. We're back down to the hooks. So we have a hook, we saved those. Now let's get an outline. If you're already doing videos, if you're a vlogger, you may already have an outline, you already have a flow, but this can either give you something to kind of look at, or if you haven't created a video yet, you can have a full video outline ready to go. Okay, so it's going to give you another hook here, an introduction, some main points to make sure that you can center, call to action, and an outro. If you're not happy with this hook, you can add some more details here and generate again. Okay, so the tool here would be simple, where you can just put in a few keywords, but if you want a little bit more info, or if you want some more specifics, you can put that in here. So one thing to look at, once you already have a video, you want to have some backup videos to go. What if this video pops off? You want to have some maybe another long form video ready to go, maybe a few shorts or some TikToks to complement this video or to promote this. So this is going to give you some ideas for a long form video. Once again, you can save all these to notes. You don't have to worry about doing these now. Okay, so you can just save them. And we can go here to the A/B testing lab. We already have some titles that we got here. Okay, we can take any of these titles and go to the A/B testing lab, and we can test them here in the title showdown, or we can generate a few more titles. So let's go ahead, since we're here, generate a few more title ideas. And once again, we're just using the simple keywords here. It's going to give us a few ideas, and once again, these titles that we have set up here are optimized for all viewing devices. YouTube does allow longer characters, but once again, half of them get cut off anyway, so you want to have your titles tight for all viewing devices. So now these are a few other little title options, and once again, these are all optional. This is next level stuff, but let's go ahead and copy two of these titles. How to repair your skin step by step, title B. So let's put in both of these titles and compare both of these here. So this is a little bit extra, that if you already have a title for a current YouTube video, if you have a couple titles, that's why you can just go to this section only and get a couple titles. We're going through the full kind of gamut here of everything that the tool does, that you can take it. So it's going to give you an analysis of title A, an analysis of title B, and it's going to give you a clear winner. Okay, and this is important that it doesn't get wishy-washy on hey, they're both good. It's going to give you a clear winner and the reasons why. All right, now that you have the video, maybe you have some views on it, you want to have some community post ideas to maybe promote that video, or to build just some buzz around that current video. So this will give you some ideas for a community post, and not just one. It should give you 4 or 5 here, so you can have a poll idea. And once again, a community post is an underrated tool on YouTube to keep your audience engaged. What is your primary function for your skin barrier? So this kind of gives you a quiz idea, some other questions behind the scenes, and then you can kind of announce this video if you want here. All right, so from this topic scout note, we have everything that we need here. Okay, so everything that you save comes to our scratch pad. Oh, one thing I forgot. Let's say you do videos in other languages. You can save all these scratch pad items in another language. So let's do Spanish, and we're going to translate all notes. So everything that you saved on your scratch pad, it's going to make another copy of that in another language in case you make an alternate video with another language, or you want something for transcripts. So it's going to give us everything here again, that we saved. We can save this to our scratch pad. So this is everything that we saved here, and you're like, hey, well, now what am I going to do with it? So once again, you can copy all these in and put them right into your YouTube video or to your own notepad. You can copy all the notes here or you can just simply here save as HTML. It's going to pull up all of your notes, everything that we saved. Okay, it's saved in my folder here. You can change the name of that, so now your notes are here that you can use for a later date when you're working on the video, or when you're uploading the video. You have all your notes for your video hook, community posts, your translated notes, so you have everything that you need. So we took an idea of beauty and fashion, which I have nothing about, and now we have a full package to create a video around. One other thing I missed is our Ask YouTube AI bot. Okay, so let's say you want a few more things, saying, hey, I am doing a skincare video. How long should it be to keep audience engaged? All right, so your YouTube bot knows everything about your YouTube channel, what you should be doing. So just ask it questions. Say, hey, what should I do here? It's going to be a little bit longer and give you some more detailed answers than our tool here, because it's more of a conversational, trying to help you out. So it's going to give us, the sweet spot, 7 to 15 minutes. These are kind of, content type, focus on value over length. So it does give you a few different options, but it does kind of come clear over here. For videos under 5 minutes, aim for viewers to watch at least 50 to 70% of the videos. So it's giving you some great things to consider, and you can save all these chat to your notes as well. If you X out of the chat and you go back, it's going to be there. You can ask. So this YouTube chatbot is your assistant to know everything about what you should do for your YouTube video. So check out YouTube Creator AI. It's totally free for some limited use. If you do want to upgrade, we have an upgrade to Pro option here. Okay, so check it out.